Hello, everyone. Welcome back to MDK Boutique. Today, I'm excited to share with you the most trending handmade earrings. I've designed this very unique model with beautiful beadwork, inspired by the latest Instagram trends. At MDK Boutique, we always try to create designs that are not only fashionable, but also affordable and easy to pair with any outfit. This new model is perfect for parties, casual wear, or even as a gift for someone special. Stay tuned till the end to see how these earrings are made step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trending designs. First, we start by preparing the earring pattern on bakram fabric. We draw a neat round shape and then begin decorating it with beautiful crystal beads, cut beads, and rhinestones. This forms the base design for our unique handmade earrings. So, first, I stitch the rhinestone right in the middle. That's going to be our main highlight. Then, I started adding the cut beads all around it to give a nice shape. After that, I stitched the crystal beads around the flower design. It's really starting to look pretty, right? You can already see the video. Okay, friends, let's continue with our design. First, I stitched the rhinestone in the middle. That's the main sparkle of our earring. After that, I added the cut beads all around, slowly shaping it up. You can already see how it's coming together, right? Looks so shiny. Then I stitched the crystal beads around the flower. This part takes a little patience, but trust me, the result is worth it. I really enjoy making these kinds of earrings. They're relaxing to do and at the same time so trendy. What do you think? Would you try making a pair like this at home? So, friends, once we complete the flower pattern, our design starts looking even more beautiful. For this earring, I'm making it in a 3D style. To create that look, I added some extra flowers on the upper part and arranged the crystal beads carefully with the help of glue. It gives such a nice finishing touch, don't you think? Just look at how it shines. Okay, friends, after we complete the whole pattern, the next step is to neatly cut out the extra fabric around the design. This way, the earring gets a clean and perfect shape. Always cut slowly and carefully so the beads and design stay in place. Now it's time to make the hanging part of our earring. For this, I'm taking a needle and threading it through the cut beads, just like you can see in the video. This gives the earring a nice drop effect and makes it look even more stylish. Isn't it cute already? So friends, our earrings are finally ready. Don't they look so pretty and unique? I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MDK Boutique for more trendy designs. See you in the next video.